fault in the hot water system has forced me into replacing all the cheap pipework I used at the beginning. I'm replacing it with 1-inch blue line water pipe, and I'm using decent couplings. My original idea for a hot and cold copper spine running down the container roof was impractical. The cold water gets hot in the summer. I used cheap black irrigation pipe at the beginning of the project. I used it because it was cheap and I wasn't sure how deeply I'd get into this project. I was losing pressure because sediment in the tanks was blocking up the filter in the tap. It's time to put some water filters in. I purchased 2 filter housings and I made a frame out of the leftover material from the roof. After I welded it together, this is what it looked like. The first filter is a 20 micron sludge and debris filter. After I installed it, I still had a reasonable amount of pressure, and my hot water system was still working. Then I added the second filter. This is 5 microns and it does algae, chlorine, colour and taste. I'm not sure if this will be too much for the hot water system. After about 4 days the hot water system stopped working. It lost pressure and would die. I removed the 5 micron filter and this is what it looked like. This is running on the 20 micron and everything's working perfectly and we've got full pressure. The new pipework standardizes all my pipes and couplings, which makes it easier to make changes further down the track. I'm optimistic that I'll be able to reuse the 5 micron filter further down the track for drinking water supply perhaps. If you're enjoying these videos, you can see the entire project from start to where we are now at www.containerhouse.wordpress.com.